come to the front of the mat. Toes together, heels slightly apart, navel in, tall spine, shoulders down, tall crown of the head. Hands in front of your chest. Inhale, extend, lengthen, contract the glutes. Exhale, fold, drop your head. Inhale, straight back. Exhale, walk your feet back. Plank, chaturanga, elbows in. Inhale, upward facing dog, elbows in. Push back, downward facing dog. Hold for 2 breaths. Bend your knees, look towards your hands, jump or walk your feet forward, straight back. Exhale, release, fold. Inhale, extend the arms up, release. 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, straight back. Exhale, jump or walk your feet back, chaturanga. Roll on your toes. Push back. 2 breaths. Feel free to bend one knee at a time and straighten the opposite knee. Bend your knees, jump forward. Straight back. Release, fold. Inhale, extend. Glutes contracted. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale all the way down into chaturanga. Inhale. Exhale, push back. Send your hips from side to side. Bend the right knee, hips towards the right. Bend the left knee, hips towards the left. Second time. Regular downward dog. Bend your knees, jump forward. Fingertips. Release, fold. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, fingertips. Exhale, jump back, plank. Vasisthasana on the right side. Right hand on the floor, lift your hips up. Hold. Back into plank, Vasisthasana on the left side. Lift your hips up, shoulders down, shoulder blades towards each other, contract your glutes. Tailbone towards your heels. Back into plank, chaturanga, upward dog, downward facing dog. Left heel on the floor, right foot forward, warrior 1. Release, hands on the floor, legs back, chaturanga, upward dog, downward facing dog. Right heel on the floor, left foot forward, warrior 1. Release, hands on the floor, feet back, chaturanga, upward dog, downward facing dog. Bend your knees, jump forward, straight back, release, fold. Inhale, extend the arms up, release. 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, straight back, jump back, plank, Vasisthasana on the right side, hips up. Option 1, stay where you are. Option 2, bring the left foot on top of the right knee. Navel in, shoulders down, shoulder blades towards each other. Release, plank, opposite side. Hips up. Nasal breathing at all times. If you want, you can upgrade by bringing the right foot on top of the left knee. Release, back into plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, push back, downward facing dog, left heel on the floor, right foot forward, warrior 1. Interlace your fingers behind your back, inhale, exhale as you fold forward. Right shoulder on the inside of the right knee, arms up and over, head facing towards the front of the mat. Inhale, come up, straighten both knees. Feel free to bring the feet a bit closer to each other, hands on the pelvis, lengthen your spine, neutral neck, fold forward. Release, hands on the floor, feet back, lower, inhale, exhale. Right heel on the floor, left foot forward, warrior 1. interlace your fingers, exhale, fold, arms up and over towards the floor, head down. Allow to go a bit further down with every breath. Release, hands on the floor, legs back, lower, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Push back into your downward facing dog. Bend your knees, jump forward, come to fingertips. Release, fold, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, extend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, straight back, jump back, plank. Vasisthasana on the right side, hips up. Step the left foot in front of the abdomen and lower your hips down. Right knee straight, inhale up. Exhale, lower, inhale up. Exhale, lower, inhale up. Last one, exhale, hold, inhale up. Step the left leg back. Take the right foot off the floor, right leg forward. Hold. Both hands on the floor, right leg all the way back. Back into plank. Vasisthasana on the left side, side plank. Hips up. Step the right foot in front of your abdomen. Inhale here, exhale, lower your hips towards the floor. Inhale up. Lower, up, lower, inhale up, last one. Lower, inhale up. Step the right leg back, take the left foot off the floor. Hold. Both hands on the floor, left leg all the way up. Both feet on the floor, left heel on the floor, right foot forward. Warrior one. Warrior two. Right hand on the floor, left arm up. Both hands on the floor. Lean forwards and backwards, runner's pose. Lower your hips, bend your elbows if you want. Step the feet a little bit closer, high lunge position. Front knee 90 degrees bend, back knee straight, ribs in, hold. Keep sending the left heel back. Lower your hips a little bit more if you want. Lower the back knee towards the floor and straighten it without lifting your moving your upper body or the front leg. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, hold. Release, hands on the floor, both feet back, hold, push back into downward facing dog. Back into plank, lift the left foot off the floor, chaturanga, left foot stays off the floor. Upward dog, left foot stays off the floor, downward facing dog. Left leg goes all the way back and up. Option 1, stay here. Option 2, forearms on the floor. Left leg straight. Both feet on the floor, regular downward dog. Right heel on the floor, left foot forward. Warrior 1. Warrior 2. Left hand on the floor, right arm up. Left hip in, right shoulder back. Release, both hands on the floor. Lift the right heel off the floor. Lean forwards and backwards in runner's pose. Bend your elbows if you wish. Feet a little bit closer, high lunge position, hold. Send the right heel back, left knee forward. Lower the back knee and straighten it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, 1, hold. Release, both hands on the floor, both feet back. Plank, downward facing dog. Back into plank, lift the left foot off the floor. Chaturanga, upward dog, left foot stays off the floor. Push back into downward facing dog, left leg up. Option 1, stay where you are. Option 2, bring the forearms on the floor. Release, both feet on the floor, straighten your elbows, bend your knees, look towards your hands. Jump forward, fingertips. Release, fold, drop your head. Inhale, come all the way up, reach up, release. Take the right leg, the left leg back, turn your toes slightly out, and arching your back, lower your hips down. Try to maintain an arch in your lower back and go as far down as you can, maintaining the knees in line with your toes. Hold. Inhale, come up, contract the glutes, tailbone forward. That's 1, 7 more. Lower, arch. Come up, contract. 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 Lower, hold. Come up, contract. Lower, hold. Arch your lower back. Come up, contract. Last one, lower, and this time hold for a count of 10. Come up, contract. Bring the feet a bit closer to each other. Hands on the pelvis. Feel free to use blocks if you need. Fold forward. Otherwise, hands on the floor. Shift most of the weight to all of the weight towards the right foot. Keep the left foot hovering off the floor. Inhale, lift and lower for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, hold for 10, 9. Feel free to get hold of your left ankle. Release, both feet on the floor. Opposite side. Inhale, shift all of the weight towards the left foot, and this time lift the right for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, hold for 10. And release. From there, bring the feet a bit wider. Option 1, hold the big toes. Option 2, bounce underneath your feet. Shift your weight towards the balls of your feet. And bend one knee and keep the other straight. And alternate from side to side, shoulders up. Try to maintain nasal breathing. Release. Hands on the pelvis. Slowly bend your knees. Come all the way up. Figure 4 with your legs. Right ankle on top of the left knee. Lower your hips down. Keep lifting your chest, leaning forward. If you need to place your hands in front of you on a surface, on an elevated surface, please do so to help you with balance. Go a bit further down if you can. Straighten the right leg in front of the left and fold forward. If you have the space, hold the inside of the foot with the opposite hand. Right leg forward, right arm forward. Release. Second time, right ankle on top of the left knee and lower your hips down. Get hold of the big toe of the right foot with the right hand. Stand tall, navel in. Stay upright and straighten the right leg as much as you wish, as much as you can. You can keep the right knee slightly bent or straighten it completely. Shoulder down, as long as you maintain straight spine and you keep your shoulders down, you can access the maximum flexibility that you have. Take the right leg towards the right, look towards the left. And release. From there, tree pose. Press the sole of the right foot on the inside of the left thigh. Left knee straight. Feel free to do any variations you want with your arms. Release. Opposite side, figure 4 with your left leg. Lower your hips down. Lift your chest up. Flex the left ankle. Go a bit further down if you wish. And release. Straighten the left leg in front of the right. Fold forward. Feel free to get hold of the inside of the opposite foot with the opposite hand. Left arm forward. Release. Second time, left ankle on top of the right knee and lower your hips down. See if you can go a bit further. Make sure your knee is okay. Get hold of the big toe of the left foot with the index and middle finger of the left hand. Stand upright. Navel in. Straighten the leg forward as much as you wish. Take the left leg towards the left. Move slowly. Release. Left foot on the inside of the right thigh. Press the foot on the thigh and the thigh on the foot. Right knee straight, tree pose. Find stillness. Release. Both feet on the floor. Open your feet as wide as you need to. Turn the toes out as much as you wish. And squat down. Wiggle your hips from side to side. If you have a crow practice, go into crow and hold for a count of 10. Release, come down. If you have a headstand practice, come into a headstand. Whichever way you wish. You can hold the headstand for 3 minutes if possible, and then go straight into Sivasana. Give yourself 2 minutes at least in Sivasana, ideally 5. Thank you very much.